Taking out a loan. It's a topic often approached with fear, shame, or perhaps over-the-top optimism. For many, it's a necessary evil. For others, a quick fix that quickly turns into a deep pitfall. But what if borrowing money didn't have to be bad? What if it could be a powerful financial tool, provided you use it correctly? In this video, we're diving into the biggest mistakes people make when borrowing money. And, more importantly, how you can avoid them. We'll show you how to borrow smart and make money work for you, instead of the other way around. The first and perhaps biggest mistake: borrowing without a clear, thought-out purpose. Many people take out loans for consumption, like a new TV, a vacation, or simply to make it until the next paycheck. This creates a vicious cycle. Consumer loans rarely lead to an increase in value. You're paying interest on something that immediately depreciates or is instantly gone. Ask yourself, why am I borrowing this money? Is it a nice to have or a must have? And will this purchase improve my financial situation in the long run or make it worse? Mistake number 2, ignoring the fine print. Borrowing is rarely as simple as paying back an amount. There's interest, hidden fees, origination fees, penalty fees for late payment, and so on. These small details can turn a seemingly favorable loan into a financial nightmare. Understand the annual percentage rate, not just the simple interest rate. The APR includes all the loan's costs and gives you a more realistic picture of what you're actually paying. Always compare multiple lenders and don't be afraid to ask questions before you sign. Mistake number 3, borrowing more than you can carry. It seems obvious, but in the euphoria of taking out a loan, many people forget their true financial capacity. A loan is a monthly obligation, and if it's too high, it can lead to stress and a debt spiral. Always create a detailed budget. Calculate how much you can comfortably set aside each month, even with unexpected expenses. A good rule of thumb is that your loan obligations, including mortgage and other loans, shouldn't exceed 30 to 35% of your net monthly income. The most dangerous pitfall: paying off existing debt with new debt. This is the beginning of the infamous debt spiral. It often starts with a credit card being used to pay off another credit card, or a personal loan to cover high credit card debt, without addressing the underlying cause. It looks like a short-term solution, but it only moves the problem, often at a higher cost or with longer terms. This is a cry for a fundamental review of your finances. If you find yourself in this situation, seek help immediately from a credit counselor or debt management professional. Now that we've discussed the pitfalls, it's time to look at the positive side. Borrowing doesn't have to be a burden. It can be a powerful tool to reach your financial goals, provided you approach it strategically and responsibly. The key to smart borrowing is borrow for something that creates value or is an absolute necessity. Think about things like buying a home. A mortgage is a loan for an asset that, in most cases, appreciates in value, and provides you with a secure place to live. Investing in your education. A student loan is an investment in yourself that can significantly increase your future earning potential. Starting or expanding a business. Business loans can lead to income-generating assets, necessary value-adding home renovations. For example, energy-saving measures that increase your home's value and lower your monthly costs. These are loans that, directly or indirectly, pay for themselves by generating future value or income. Your credit score is your financial reputation. A good score opens doors to lower interest rates and better terms. This is essential for smart borrowing. How do you improve that score? Always pay on time. This is the most critical factor. Keep your credit utilization low. Never use your full available credit. A maximum of 30% is a good guideline. Check your credit reports regularly. Errors can unnecessarily lower your score. A high credit score means banks see you as a lower risk, which directly results in lower costs for you. Smart borrowing goes hand in hand with smart repayment. Have a clear plan before you take out the loan. Budget the payments. Ensure the monthly payment fits your budget, with plenty left over for saving and emergencies. Consider extra payments. If possible, pay extra toward the principal. This significantly reduces total interest costs and shortens the loan term. Just check if there are any prepayment penalties. Snowball or avalanche method. If you have multiple loans, research methods like the debt snowball, pay off smallest loan first, or debt avalanche, pay off highest interest first, to repay efficiently. The lending market is competitive. Take advantage of this. Compare not just the interest rate, but also the terms, lengths, flexibility, and any fees across multiple lenders. Bank A might offer a lower interest rate, but Bank B might have more flexible repayment options. The details matter, and don't be afraid to negotiate. Especially with larger loans, a small difference in the interest rate can save you thousands of dollars over the term. A final crucial tip. Maintain an emergency fund, even if you're borrowing. Unexpected events, job loss, or medical costs can completely derail your repayment plan. A buffer of 3 to 6 months of living expenses gives you the breathing room to avoid panicking and grabbing for even more loans. Borrowing money is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your dreams. Whether it's owning a home, getting a good education, or starting your business. But like any powerful tool, it must be used with knowledge, respect, and a solid plan. Avoid the pitfalls of careless borrowing. Focus on value. Understand the true cost. Know your limits, and use your loans strategically. By applying these principles, you transform a potential risk into an opportunity for financial growth and stability. What are your experiences with borrowing? Share your tips and questions in the comments below. Did you find this video helpful? Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial insights. Until next time, and keep building your financial future smartly.